Yeah, hello everybody. What is up? All you beautiful, beautiful people. My name is Alex, and it is currently November 9th, 2012. And it's been a, well, relatively busy day for me. Usually during a week, I have like maximum one thing planned. Any given week, like one thing during the entire week, but this Friday, I actually had a bunch of things planned. So I woke up pretty early actually, and went to a meeting around 12 in the afternoon. Like I said, I was going to regarding some job prospects. I got some more information about the whole working in Europe thing, and I'm sorry, I have to admit that I'm very keen on working or taking one of those jobs abroad. If you can hear those tiny burps, it's because of something I'm about to say. So after the meeting around 6 in the afternoon, well, I had a little nap in between because I didn't sleep so well last night. Sorry about that. But yeah, after that whole debacle and the nap, I went back home and had a nap, like I said, and then the friends came and picked me up, my girlfriend, and like we were a total of 7 people, I think. Yes, 3 couples and 1 standalone, and we went bowling. Now, personally, I'm not that big into bowling. Quite honestly, I actually don't like it, straight up. But I figured, since so many friends of my girlfriend's are going, like female friends of hers and their partners, respective partners, I kind of felt I didn't need to go. She said that, and she made that very clear, but kind of felt like I should. It's one of those things you kind of do for your loved one because you want to make them happy. So I went bowling. I hated every second of it. No, I didn't. Didn't do so well as I was expecting I would. Damn, I'm burping like a mother. But yeah, after the bowling, we only did like 1 round. People kind of didn't really feel the bowling lane flow. We went and ate some food, and I had the buffet. And that's the result of me having the buffet. I had it's like this. There's this one Mexican, it's called Plaza Mexico. It's kind of a dodgy type of place to eat, and the buffet is even dodgier than the actual, well, than the other food that you ordered there. They do have some very good nachos and stuff like that, but the buffet is even dodgier than the rest of the food. Now, I'm not really one to be very picky about food. I can pretty much eat anything, except for things from the big white ocean and seas. But yeah, I eat pretty much anything, and even I kind of felt a little bit grossed out by the end of that whole meal. Anyways, I got pretty damn full. My stomach is damn full, and I'm burping like a crazy person. So yeah, that's happening. Then we went our respective ways, and me and my girlfriend went and got some snacks, Pringles and stuff like that, and we went back home to my place here. And now I'm showing her the Terminator movies. I download I have the quadrilogy on my DVD collection, and and I decided to show her. So we just watched the #1 movie, the first one, and we will now be going on to watch the second one from like 1991. The one from 1994, which is a year older than me. It's kind of, I don't know, old, straight up. No easy way to say that. But they do get progressively better as far as films go. As far as CGI-packed action films go, they do get better, I have to admit. And the storyline is kind of cool. The concept is kind of cool. So, and she really seemed to enjoy the first one. And if she enjoys the first one, she's definitely going to enjoy the next 3 movies. You probably won't be seeing all the remaining movies this evening, but at least one more, I think. She has to get up early because she's going out with those friends I mentioned earlier, female friends of hers, to have some drinks to celebrate a birthday or something. I'm not quite invited, so I'm not quite in the mood to care. I will be going on my own respective drinking bender with some other friends of mine, so that'll happen. But yeah, I'm gonna go call in my girlfriend because I sent her outside again to have a cigarette while I filmed this daily. Yeah, she wanted to have a cigarette before we put on the second movie anyways, so I'm gonna pull out the chocolate. I feel this is a good time for chocolate. I bought some chocolate in the bag back there, and really enjoying that. Really going to enjoy that. I mean, really looking forward to it. That's what I meant to say. But yeah, I'm seriously considering the whole moving around in Europe, working thing. I put up my curriculum vitae, my CV, all my work application information up on this one website which handles all the jobs in pretty much all the EU/US countries, and yeah, we'll see if I get any bait. Hopefully so. Kind of. I maybe want to tell my girlfriend about this, or me seriously considering this before she watches my daily vlog. Yeah. Hope you all have a good day. Guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. So, ciao.